This integrated washing machine from Hoover is ideal for households looking for a model with clever technology to take care of their clothes. It has a 1400 RPM spin speed, an excellent A++ energy rating, and a medium-sized 8 kg drum capacity. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. Hoover's KG mode uses clever sensors to weigh your laundry when you load the drum. This means the machine can work out just how much water, time, and energy it needs to use throughout the cycle to get your clothes clean. And it can help you save on your utility bills without having to lift a finger. The handy ActivEco program saves you from separating your laundry, as you can wash white and coloured clothes together. It washes at a cool 20 degrees to clean your clothes without the colours running. So, you needn't worry about mixing your work shirts with the kids' PE kits. If you're looking for a washing machine with clever technology to take care of your clothes, this integrated model from Hoover is perfect for you.